If the mean of the following data is 20.2, then find the value of P. Marks 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Number of students 6, 8. You have to find number of students, that is for 20, and 25 is 10 and 30 for 6. So marks, number of students, and f of x. So what is given, children? Mean. Mean means x bar. So x bar is given as 20.2. You have to find P. It's clear, children? Right. So given marks are, that is x, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It's clear, children? And f, frequency f is 6, 8. I consider this value as P. This is P. 10, 6. F into x, 10 into 6 are 10, 6 are 60. 15 into 8, 120. 20 into P is 20P. 25 into 10 is 250. 30 into 6 is 180. It's clear, children? When you add, sum of f is equal to 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 10, 24, 24 plus 6, 30, 30 plus P. It's clear, children? And the side, 60 plus 120 is 180, 180, 180, 250, 430, 430 plus 180, 610. That is sum of f into x is equal to 610 plus 20p. It's clear, children? Right. Now, what is the mean formula? Mean, that is x bar equal to sum of f by sum of f into x by sum of f. Sum of f into x. What is the mean x bar? Is given as x bar is equal to 20.2 means given. So 20.2 is equal to sum of f into x is 610 plus 20p divided by sum of f is 30 plus p. 30 plus p. It's clear, children? Now cross multiply. That is 30 plus p into 20.2, that is equal to 610 plus 20p. So when you multiply, what you get? 30 into 20.2 is equal to 0. 3 2s are 6, 0, 3 2s are 6. One number next point, that is 606. So 606 plus p into 20.2 is 20.2p, that is equal to 610 plus 20p. 20.2p, you transfer plus 20p to left side, become minus 20p, that is equal to 610 plus 606, transfer towards your right side, become minus 606. 20.2 p minus 20p, that is equal to 0.2p. 0.2p, that is equal to 610 minus 606 is 4. P equal to 4 divided by 0.2. So one decimal point is there. So you're going to multiply and divide by 10 by 10. So you get P is equal to 4 into 10 40, 0.2 into 10 is 2, 2 how many times? 20 times, so P is equal to 20. It's clear, children? This is the solution for question number 5. Question number 6. This is class interval model, children. Class interval model, lower limit and upper limit is given. That is, in the class, weight of students is measured for the class records. Calculate the mean. You're going to calculate mean weight of the class students using direct method. It's given direct method itself. So weight in kg, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65, 65 to 75. Number of students are 4, 11, 19, 14, 0, 2. Solution, children. We are going to use direct method. So arithmetic mean x bar is equal to sum of f into x by sum of f. It's clear, children? Now I'm going to take table. That is, first one is weight in kg. I consider as weight in kg. Then this weight in kg is given as class intervals 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65, 65 to 75. It's here, children. This mid value 25, 15 plus 25 is 40, 40 divided by 2 is 20, and 25 plus 35 is 60, 60 divided by 2 is, that is off, midpoint means off, 30, 35 plus 45 is 80, 80 divided by 2 is 40, 45 plus 55 is 100, 100 by 2 is 50, 55 plus 65 is 120, 120 divided by 2 is 60, 65 plus 75 is 140, 140 divided by 2 is 70. This is the mid value I consider as x. Next, number of students, that is f. 4 students, 11 students, 19, 14, 0, 2. Then you have to find x into f, that is f into x. 4 into 20 is 80, 11 into 30 is 330, 19 into 40 is 760, 50 into 14 is 700, 60 into 0 is 0, 72 is 140. It's clear, children? Now the formula is sum of f into x, so you add here sum of f into x, that is equal to 0, 1, 0, 2, 2, 0, 1, 0. Summation of f is 4, 5, 14, 18, 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50. Summation of f is 50. What is the mean formula? X bar equal to sum of f into x by sum of f, that is equal to 2010 divided by 50, 00 cancel, that is equal to 201 by 5. It's clear, children? 201 by 5, 5 4s are 20, carry 1, zeros are 0, 1, 0.0, 5 2s are 10, that is equal to 40.2 x bar. Therefore, so mean weight equal to 40.2 kg. It's clear, children? 7. Calculate the mean of the following distribution using assumed mean method. Class interval is given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and frequency is 5, 7, 15, 28, 8. Children, you are going to calculate what? Mean. Using assumed mean method is given. So given measure method is assume mean method. So what is the formula for assume mean method? Assume mean method, right? Assume mean method is x bar equal to a plus sum of f into d by sum of f. This is the formula for assume mean method, where a is what? A is assumed mean. A is what? Assumed mean. It's clear, children? Right. Now we are going to draw the table. First, class intervals is given. Class intervals 0 to 10, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. It's clear, children? Now frequency is, so class intervals, frequency 5, 7, 15, 28 and 8. It's clear, children? Now you are going to find mid value for the class interval. Mid value, that is x. 0 plus 10 is 10. 10 by 2 is 5. Sorry, 10 by 2 is 5, correct? Then 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15. 20 by 30 is 50. 50 by 2 is 25. 30 plus 40 is 70. 70 by 2 is 35. 40 plus 50 is 90. 90 divided by 2 is 45. It's clear, children? This is the mid value, right? F also you have written. Now F into D. So you have to find D, where D equal to x minus a. That is assumed mean. D equal to x minus a. It's clear, children? This is x and f. Okay, I can take the middle value. This is a. So a is equal to, you consider this as 25, assumed mean. This is assumed mean. A is equal to, that is d equal to x minus a. X terms are there, 5 minus 25. D equal to x minus 25. That is x is 5. 5 minus 25, that is minus 20. This is the value of d. And 15 minus 25 is minus 10. 25 minus 25 equal to 0. 35 minus 25, that is equal to 10. 45 minus 25, that is equal to 20. It's clear, children? Now f into d. F into d. F is this, d is here. Okay, plus into minus, f into d, right? Plus into minus minus, 5 into 20 is 100. Plus into minus minus, 7 into 10 is 70. 15 into 0 is 0. 28 into 10 is 280. 8 into 20 is 160. Add this 2, children, and add this 2. Put same sign and add. That is 100 minus 100 minus 100 is minus 170. When you add this, plus 0, 4, 14, 1, 3, 440. That is 440 plus 440 minus 170, we subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. 14 minus 7 is 7. 3 minus 1 is 2. That is 270. That is sum of f into d. Then sum of f is, that is equal to 8, 16, 21, 28, 3, 63. It's clear, children? Now assume mean formula is, arithmetic mean formula is x bar equal to assume mean plus sum of f into d by sum of f. A is what? 25 plus sum of f into d is 270 divided by sum of f is 63. It's clear, children? 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27, 0. Again 25 plus 90 divided by 21, 3 7s are 21, 3 30 times, right? That is equal to 25 plus 30 divided by 7, 30 divided by 7, 7 4s are 28, carry 2, 0.0, 7 2s are 14, 6, 0, 7 8s are 56, carry 4, 0, 7 5s are 35, balance 5, that is equal to 25 plus 4 when you add this one more than 5, that is, you can write 4.29, that is equal to 25 plus 4.29, that is equal to 29.49. This is the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean using assumed mean method. It's clear, children? By this we have completed question number 7. Question number 8. Find the arithmetic mean of the following data using step division method. Age is given 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44. Number of persons 4, 20, 38, 24, 10, 9. Assume mean is given as 32, right? Sorry. Now the solution, you have to write step deviation method. Step deviation method. What is the formula for finding step deviation method using arithmetic mean? Formula is x bar is equal to a plus sum of f into d by sum of f into c, where c is what? C equal to class interval, c is the class interval, and d equal to x minus a by c. It's clear, children? Right. This is the formula for step deviation method. Right. First, the given class intervals are, that is age, that is 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 30, 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44. It's clear, children? Mid value, that is x. You're going to add 15 plus 19 is 34. 34 divided by 2 is 17. 20 plus 24 is 44. 44 divided by 2 is 22. 25 plus 29 is 54. 54 divided by 2 is 27. 30 plus 34 is 64. 64 divided by 2 is 32. 35 plus 39 equal to 74. That is 74 divided by 2 is 37. 40 plus 44 is 84. 84 divided by 2 is 42. This is the mid value of x, children, right? Then you have to find f. So given frequency of f is given as 4, 20, 38, 24, 10 and 9. Right here, children? 4, 20, 38, 24, 10 and 9. It's clear, children? Next, So f is there, you add sum of f is equal to 5, 105. Clear, children? Right. Then, so f also is there, f is there, d is required. Okay, children, d. So first you have to find assume method. D equal to actually x minus a divided by c, right? C is the class interval, that is 15 to 19, 16, 17, 18, 19, totally 4 children. 4 is there, 20 to 24 is 4, 35 to 29 is 4, 30 to 34, that is interval is 4, and a is equal to either 27 or 32, you can select, children. So you can take a as 32, so a is equal to 32. Then d is equal to what? D equal to x minus a is 32 divided by c is 4. It's clear, children? Right. Now we will calculate. X is what? 17. 17 minus 32 divided by 4. It's clear, children? That is minus minus 15 by 4. 4 minus 4 3s are 12.75 you get. Same way, 22 minus 32 divided by 4, that is minus 10 by 4. 2 times, 5 times, so 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, carry 2, 5, so 10, that is 2.5. Then here 27 minus 32 divided by 4 minus 5 by 4, that is minus 1.25. It's clear, children? Same way, 32 minus 32, x is 32 minus a is 32 divided by 4, 0 by 4, that is equal to 0. Then 37 minus 32 by 4, that is 5 by 4, that is equal to 1.25. It's clear, children? Now next is 42 minus 32 divided by 4. It's clear, children? That is equal to 10 by 4, that is equal to 2.5. This is D, children. Actually you have to find sum of f into d. Sum of f into d. F is there, d is there. You are going to multiply both f into d. Minus 4 into 3.75 is minus 15 you get. 20 into minus 2.5 is minus 50. It's clear, children? Then 38 into 1.25, that is minus 47.5. 24 into 0 is 0. 10 into 1.25 is 12.5. 9 into 2.5 is 22.5. It's clear, children? Right? Now make minus sign and then I'll add. That is minus, your 0.5 will be here. 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry 1, 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. Here we are going to put plus sign and add. 5 plus 5 is 0. 0.1, 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. It's clear, children? Now minus 1, 1, 2.5 plus 35. Then calculate this. 5 minus 0 is 5. 12 minus 5 is 7. 0, that is 10 minus 3 is again 7. That is equal to, that is equal to sum of f into d is equal to minus 77.5. What is the formula? Assume mean. Assume mean, children. So assume mean is equal to, that is arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is equal to, what is the formula is a plus sum of f into d by sum of f into c. A is the assumed mean, that is 32. plus sum of f into d is minus 77.5 divided by sum of f is 105 into 4. It's clear, children? Now you are going to calculate 77.5 into 4. 4 5s are 20, 28, 30, 28, 20, 31. So 310 divided by 105, that is equal to 32 plus minus 310 divided by 105, that is equal to 32 plus into minus minus 310 by 105. It's clear, children? Now 5 tables, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30, carry 1 2, right? Now 62 divided by, that is 21. So what do you get? 21 into 2, 40, 2, 0, 20.0, right? 9 times, 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1, 11, again take 0, 5 times, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, that is 105. So I can write here 32 minus 2.95, that is 32.0 minus 2.95. So 10, 9, 1, that is 2 will be 11, 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 9 is 0, 11 minus 2 is 9, that is 29.05, that is equal to 29.05. This is the arithmetic mean using step deviation method. By this we are completing the exercise 8.1. Thank you.